Hey guys, Louis here, and welcome back to Acorn Hill. Those of you who have been following me on my channel know that I have this lawn renovation project that I've started a few weeks ago. Today is yet another step into getting our lawn into the perfect shape that we want it to be at. For those of you who are just joining me or just happen to stumble on my channel, welcome. I appreciate you listening in and looking at what I have to offer today. Our goal for our channel is learn something new, and it's something that everybody has been responding well to. Today is a lawn tools type of vlog. I am doing an unboxing today of a product that I have sought long and hard for, and it's the old school reel mower that I will be using for the first mow or first cut of my lawn. Greenworks is one of the products that we have been looking into, and I think we have found what we needed for the first mow. Using the right tool for the right job, that's also part of our mantra here on the channel. This will do the trick and this will do the work for us. Now, what we got is a Greenworks brand reel mower off of Amazon. There's a few things that I like about this to begin with, and a few of those features that I like are already on the box itself. That it has a 20-inch cutting path, so that means that the width of the blades, the reel of the blade, is 20 inches long, which is not as common among all the other types of mowers of this class. That's the one thing that attracted me to considering in getting this. Whereas other products will only have the two big wheels on the front, this one has four wheels, which for me, I think the ease and the level of when the mower goes on the grass. But I think it will be a whole lot more stable having four wheels. The more wheels you have, the easier it is to push. The third item that I like about this one already comes with the bag that one attaches to the back, and when the wheels start flipping and turning and the reel cuts the grass, it will throw all the cuttings and the trimmings directly into the bag over here in the basket in the back. We need that because with my new lawn, I have spent a good amount of time in dethatching and removing 10 years or so of gunk and thatch and rotten material on top of soil that we don't want to put way too much material right on top. The grass is so many days old. We have about 70% lawn growing right now. The other 30%, of course, are those problem areas where there's puddles that have formed, the unevenness of the lawn, so forth and so on. So let me show you what's inside. We will talk about how this will help me on my lawn renovation, which is cutting the lawn for the first time. This one comes well packaged. So now we're going to open it. Right away, one can see that it's well packed. The big wheels are here. We'll measure how big these wheels are. But some metal parts that could be potentially harmed during the shipping and the handling of the box is well protected by all these styrofoams, high density styrofoams that are on either side. These are the adjustment levers right over here as to how low they can go when one is adjusting the height of the cut. So that's what those levers are for. This is the handle. Instruction manual. Second item, straight away we get the basket. And this is the basket that I showed you. So that basket is what we will use for when we start cutting the grass, and clippings will be thrown directly into it. And it's a wider than I expected type of a basket. This is 22 inches maybe wide from this side to this side, and again, that's pretty good to begin with. Here's one of the laterals that we will attach. It's the other lateral that we will use for attaching the handles right onto the machine itself. And everything's all pre-assembled apart from the handles, the uprights that we need to use. We'll remove And here's the machine itself. Now, it's easy to lift, two hands, out. It comes out of the box. Here's the blade. This one has 5 individual blades rotating as one moves the real mower. What happens is, as these blades, curved and well assembled on heavy steel, when it starts rotating, it will catch that blade right over there on the back, and that's where the cut happens. So when grass passes through and under, then it hits that blade, which is attached to this frame over here in the back. The reel hits that and it cuts it straight out. So let's take this out. Right. Planning early on, I knew that cutting the grass for the first time after it grew would be very sensitive, not only for the grass, but only because it's growing on very soft, unstable soil. And after some time of working on the soil, I know that that soil will be unstable and won't be able to handle the weight of a regular rotary mower. Using this lightweight reel mower would be the best course of action for the first cut. That way, we don't rip the soil, we don't rip the new grass that's growing, and the roots will be protected. My approach to grass and lawn care is now very different because turf is basically a plant, and we want to make sure that the roots develop well, they grow deeper into the soil, and that they get the proper nutrients and the proper maintenance that they need. So the more protection they get, the better it is. And guys, for watching this video about my new toy and how I will prepare for my first first cut on my lawn. As you can see, the grass is growing really well. On the next video, I will show you guys how I cut this lawn, the benefits of cutting for the first time, and just general maintenance for the initial cut that's needed for any good growing turf. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Acorn Hill if you haven't already, and we'll see you back next time. This is Louie coming from the backyard, and we'll see you back here in Acorn Hill. Bye-bye.